Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Kia Forte GT. This vehicle has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It also has a dual clutch automatic transmission and is also available with the 6-speed manual transmission. I think the Kia Forte GT is a fun little car. I love the dual clutch. It has a nice little active exhaust. I like the flat bottom steering wheel, perforated leather on the sides of the steering wheel with metal shift paddles, GT badge embroidered into the seat. It's like partial leatherette and then cloth. On how you have the sport mode right there. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I believe. It should have Android Auto. Yep, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Nice little screen right here. You have the map, navigation. Here's your backup camera. Decent resolution. Nothing too great, but does the job. Let's walk around this Forte. This is the gray exterior. You have these little red center cap thing. You also have the red accents on the GT and the GT line. Full LED headlights. Here's the rear seats. You also have a little charging port. GT badge on the back, as well as dual outlet exhausts. Here's the trunk. You have the aluminum foot pedals on this GT model. Let's get it out on the road. You also have a wireless charging tray, as you can see my phone in there. What I like about this car, as I mentioned, is like at this cheap price point you get a pretty fun little car, and I like the fact that it has a dual clutch or a manual, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it was very responsive, of course, as a dual clutch should be. I mean, this car is not crazy fast or anything. Obviously it only has 200 horsepower, but it's a fun little zippy car. Dual clutches make any car feel way more fun because of the fast gear shifts. The seats have pretty good lateral support, which is nice, despite being like the cloth, more basic kind of seats. They hold you in place really well. It feels like a bucket seat kinda. I made a video on a Forte GT line, which is basically just an LXS that looks like a GT and has a 167 horsepower. And I said the same thing about those seats. They were pretty much the same in terms of how they felt, which is pretty good. and they're fully manual seats. They're not powered, and there's no lumbar support adjustment. So yeah, I mean, I feel like my back would start hurting, lower back would start hurting if I drove this for a long period of time. It is important in cars to have very comfortable seats for long driving distances. At the end of the day, at this price point, you can't really expect that. But for what it is, it's nice. This is definitely like a car like a young buyer would definitely want. This is definitely like a car geared more towards teenagers and people in their early 20s. Due to the price point and everything like that and the way the car looks, this is definitely a car any high schooler would really, really want. And another thing is, I really like the new Kia logo. Some people don't, or actually a lot of people don't, but I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. It looks a lot better than the old one, that's for sure. Overall, pretty nice drive on this Forte GT. But overall, nice Kia Forte GT right here. Overall thoughts is it drives pretty well, transmission's good, car's not really crazy fast or anything, but of course, I mean, you wouldn't really expect that for 200 horsepower, but it's nice and zippy, especially because of the transmission. Seats have really good lateral support, but I feel like lumbar support would definitely help, which it doesn't have, because it's just manual seats. But overall, nice little car. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Forte GT.